Hello, my name is Monique and welcome to another library tech tip. Today I will be showing you how to use Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a free application that connects students and teachers virtually. To find Google Classroom, we are going to search Classroom in our Google search bar. Select your Gmail account and sign in. If you need help creating a Gmail account, watch our tech tip video titled How to Create a Gmail Account. Once you sign in, we're going to click on the plus sign to join a class. You should have an email from your instructor with a code inviting you to join the class. Type this code in this box and click Enter. Once the page loads, you will be inside the class you were invited to. Here, you will be able to see upcoming events, messages from teachers, as well as the ability to message them if you have any questions. Let's select Classwork at the top. Here you will find a list of assignments assigned to your student. In this example, we have a quiz we need to fill out. Click on the quiz to open the document. Here we are going to answer the 2 questions on the quiz. Once you are finished, click Submit. The teacher is now notified that we finished and can review our quiz. Here we can see which assignments we have submitted, as well as which assignments have been sent to us. It also lists how many more tasks we have to finish. Let's go to the upper left and click on the menu. Here we see different tabs like Calendar, our current class, pending tasks or to-do list, as well as any archived classes that we may have. Let's click on To Do. This will take us to the page where it shows us whether or not we have an assignment we need to complete. In this case, we're all caught up. Click on Done, and we can see the work we finished and submitted. Click on the menu again and select Intermediate Word, which is the class we are currently taking. In the class we have the menu on the left side, and messages are displayed here in the middle. Any upcoming events or tasks will be displayed in either To Do or Upcoming. Now let's go to the tab titled People. Once we select People, we will see the teachers and students who are in the class with us. In this case, the teacher is Jose Luis Ramos, and below we have the list of students in the class. Now let's click on Classwork. Here you will notice that 2 of the tasks are displayed in light gray while the one above is in bold. This means that the one above in bold is a task that we have not completed yet, and the 2 below have been completed. When we open the uncompleted task, we will see that the assigned task was to watch 2 videos with the links provided. Once we watch both videos, Google Classroom will gray out this assignment since it has been completed. We're going to go back to the menu on the left. Click To Do and select Assigned at the top. Here we will see the tasks or homework we need to do this week. Now select Missing. Since we have nothing missing, this page is blank. Now select Done. Here we can see the assignments we have already turned in. Let's go to the menu again. This time click on Calendar. The calendar will show us our pending tasks and homework, as well as what day and by what time they are due. You can change the settings to view the calendar by day, week, or month. If your student is enrolled in several classes, you can choose to view by specific class. The calendar will display all upcoming assignments for your student. We can always go back to our Google Classroom homepage by clicking on the menu at the top left of your screen. Thank you so much for joining me today for another library tech tip. If you would like to see more tech tips, please visit us at www.poudrelibraries.org. Thank you and have a great day.